Ever wondered how to make the perfect homemade chicken nuggets? The secret lies in the blend of seasonings, the right breading, and the perfectly timed fry. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these tasty morsels of chicken. The ingredients you'll need are 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, salt and pepper for taste, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs, and oil for frying. Begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and season them with salt and pepper to taste. Next, mix together the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper in a bowl. This blend of spices and flour will give your nuggets the right kick. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk. This will act as the glue for your breading. In a third bowl, place the panko breadcrumbs, which will give your nuggets that perfect crunch. Now, on to the breading process. Dip each chicken piece first into the flour mixture, making sure it's completely covered. Then, dip it into the egg mixture, and finally, coat it well with the panko breadcrumbs. Press down on the breadcrumbs to ensure they stick well. Place the breaded chicken nuggets onto the prepared baking sheet. Now, it's time for the fun part: frying. Heat the oil in a large skillet or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a skillet, make sure the oil comes halfway up the sides of the nuggets. Fry the chicken nuggets in batches until they're cooked through and golden brown, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the cooked nuggets to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Once all the chicken nuggets are fried, transfer them onto the prepared baking sheet and bake for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until they are crispy and golden brown. And voila! You've just made perfect homemade chicken nuggets. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, cooking is an art, and every artist has their own touch. Feel free to play around with the seasonings or dipping sauces and make this recipe truly your own. Enjoy!